What's up, everybody? Welcome to Gray Rabbit Finance. I'm your host, Tyler, and today I'm going to be updating the Ichimoku technical analysis for silver US dollar for the month of July 2024. Let's hop in. Here is silver US dollar on the monthly chart. Overall, this is a nice base that we formed here with the Ichimoku Cloud. We've got Senko Span A and B are both pointing up. We had price close above the Tenkan-sen. However, the Kijun-sen is flat, so we're going to need price to close above the $32.51 level to confirm the next N wave up. And so until we get that, I'm under the impression that we're going to be consolidating now for a little bit before we get the continuation on this trend back up. And so let's take a look at the stochastic. So guys, we've got a death cross forming here on the stochastic. So if we do get an attempted breakout this month, I expect it to be fake. So keep that in mind. We still have the Ichimoku time cycles drawn in, and they're showing us that this consolidation is not over yet. So let's go to the weekly chart for more detail. Now, let's clean this up. On the weekly chart, guys, price closed above the Tenkan-sen. However, the Kijun-sen's flat, Senko Span B is flat, Senko Span A is pointing up, and the Tenkan-sen is up. So overall, this is just a neutral market, but we do have a nice bullish Kumo cloud starting to form, and we have the Chikou span above the candles. So this is a bullish market, but we're taking a pause right now, and in the short to medium term, it's going to be just a neutral, ranging, consolidating market. So we need to price close above the resistance in order to confirm the trend back in the bullish direction. And as you can see, we've got the Ichimoku time cycles on, and I'm expecting us to be consolidating until August. So probably be consolidating until August, and then hopefully reaching this next target up here, which is the 1 Fibonacci extension level. And I'm expecting to reach that target by November. So I'm expecting that target to reach by November. My overall idea for this year is that we're going to see the price of silver between $40 and $50 by the end of the year. Just got to finish this consolidation here. And so one area to look for a possible retracement to is this fair value gap here. So we could see price head back down to around the $27 level and $28, and then spring back up on the next impulsive wave up. So overall, this is a consolidating market right now, and it's just neutral. But we do have on the stochastic here looks like we got a gold cross here, but it's not too strong yet. We need to let the lines get a little more separation. And we have a good amount of distance between the Chikou span and the candles. And so typically when you have this much distance, this is showing me that there could be some consolidation. And then once the Chikou span hits the candles, then we can look for the breakout. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the daily chart for some more detail. Okay, so on the daily chart, let's take a look. So right now we just have we have a ranging market. We had a double top here in terms of price action. So one top, the other got rejected. It was a false breakout here. And then we got a death cross, and then we got a gold cross. And so when we keep getting these signals back and forth, that shows us that this is a neutral ranging market. So right now the Chikou span is coming close to being back above the candles. But until we can close above the $32 level and 51 cents, this is just going to be a ranging market. And if we close below the $28 level, that can confirm this move back down to this Gann line here, which is the 3-to-1 angle. And this could be a good place to add on to your long positions if you're position trading. But obviously, everyone, you have to figure that on your own. This is not advice. This is just an idea that I'm thinking about right now. And let's see, guys. So yeah, expect to consolidate heading into August, and then look for the breakout. So expecting us to dip back into this zone here, get supported, and then continue back up on this trend. Because overall, we do have a very bullish trend. And one thing that I want to show you guys too. So here's a death cross We had a death cross and now a gold cross here. So this is just showing me that this is consolidating before possibly moving back lower. But one thing I want to show you too is that if we look at the gold to silver ratio, you can see that we've just broken below this trend line here on an N wave. And I'm expecting this support to break. This is the $74 level and 63 cents. And so once that level breaks, or sorry, not dollars, just 74 at 63 level. But once that level breaks, that's going to be really bullish for silver. And so we're going to need to keep an eye on this, but this is going to help us possibly time the breakouts and see what's going on in the silver market. So just something to keep in mind. And on the weekly chart, you can see that we had 3 out of the 3 Sanyoku Gyokuten signals, which are the bearish Ichimoku trend signals. So we had a death cross, Chico span below the candles, and we had price break through the thick white line in the Kumo cloud. And now we have a nice Kumo cloud starting to form, and it's getting a little bit fatter with some more steam. So this is showing me that after this consolidation is complete, we should be breaking to the downside. So that's what I'm going to be looking for, and that's going to help confirm the move up in silver heading into the end of this year. So guys, thanks for liking and subscribing. Really helps me and my family, so it's much appreciated. And let me know what you're thinking about silver. What are your price targets? Are you tired of the silver market? Are you tired of the manipulation? Will the stackers ever break through? Will the paper derivatives markets ever blow up? What do you think will happen? What are your targets? I would love to hear it in the comments below. Are you bearish or bullish? So let me know. And until next month, guys, peace.